If you're looking to supercharge your PC with lightning-fast storage, Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSDs are the ultimate upgrade. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, these drives offer insane read-write speeds and unmatched performance. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSDs you can get right now. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the PNY CS2150 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. The PNY CS2150 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD represents a significant leap in storage technology, designed to meet the demands of gamers, creative professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Equipped with a cutting-edge NVMe PCIe Gen 5 X4 interface, this SSD delivers blistering sequential read speeds up to 10,200 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 8,300 megabytes per second. Such rapid data transfer rates dramatically reduce load times, enabling faster file access, quicker application launches, and a smoother overall computing experience. Security is a top priority for the CS2150, featuring integrated TCG Opal 2.0 hardware encryption. This advanced security standard ensures that your data remains protected at the hardware level, safeguarding sensitive information without compromising performance. Whether you are working with confidential files or large creative projects, this SSD offers peace of mind through robust data protection. The drive's compatibility with Microsoft Direct Storage technology further elevates gaming and creative workflows. By optimizing how games and software access the SSD, it accelerates texture rendering and reduces latency, contributing to seamless gameplay and enhanced productivity in demanding creative applications. This makes the CS2150 an ideal choice for users who require both speed and reliability. Backed by a competitive 5-year limited warranty, PNY supports the CS2150 with a commitment to quality and durability. Additionally, 24/7 US-based technical support ensures users have assistance whenever needed, reinforcing the product's reliability and customer care. Overall, the PNY CS2150 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD stands out as a powerful, secure, and future-proof storage solution tailored for high-performance computing environments. Coming in at number 4, we have the Corsair MP700 Elite Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Corsair MP700 Elite Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD represents a significant leap forward in storage technology, delivering exceptional speed and reliability tailored for high-performance PCs. Powered by the advanced PCIe 5.0 X4 controller, this SSD achieves blazing fast sequential read speeds up to 10,000 megabytes per sec and write speeds reaching 8,500 megabytes per sec. Such impressive throughput dramatically reduces load times, whether you're booting Windows, launching games, or transferring large files, ensuring a seamless and responsive computing experience. Built with high-density 3D TLC NAND flash memory, the MP700 Elite strikes a balance between speed and durability, maintaining peak performance over years of continuous use. This memory technology supports consistent data integrity and endurance, helping to safeguard your valuable files during intensive workflows or gaming sessions. One standout feature of the MP700 Elite is its support for Microsoft Direct Storage technology. This enables the SSD to communicate directly with compatible graphics cards, minimizing bottlenecks and accelerating game load times significantly. For gamers equipped with a DirectX 12 GPU supporting Shader Model 6.0, this integration provides an enhanced, near-instantaneous gaming experience. Endurance is a critical aspect of any storage device, and the Corsair MP700 Elite excels in this area with a rating of up to 1,200 terabytes written. This robust lifespan assures users that their data remains secure and accessible over many years of heavy use, making the drive an ideal choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals requiring both speed and durability. At number 3, the crucial T705 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. The crucial T705 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD is engineered to deliver extreme Gen 5 speeds, boasting sequential read and write speeds of up to 13,600 megabytes per second and 10,200 megabytes per second, respectively. Its random read and write operations reach impressive levels as well, hitting up to 1,400K and 1,750K IOPS, making it a powerhouse for data-intensive tasks and gaming. This SSD is designed to elevate gaming and creative experiences. Gamers will notice faster load times for AAA titles, benefiting from Microsoft Direct Storage technology, which allows games to load up to 15% quicker than on Gen 4 SSDs. This translates into smoother texture rendering and quicker access to game assets. Creators working with high-resolution media, including UHD and 8K+ video files, can expect efficient performance when rendering photos and videos or managing heavy workloads. The drive's optimized architecture also reduces CPU utilization, freeing up system resources for multitasking and demanding applications. Installation is straightforward, as the crucial T705 fits into the standard M.2 slot on compatible motherboards. It comes with a copper-clad label designed to transfer heat effectively to the motherboard heatsink, ensuring thermal management is optimized for sustained high performance. The T705 is built using Micron's cutting-edge 232-layer TLC NAND, manufactured in-house to ensure reliability and quality. It is specifically compatible with Intel Core 13th and 14th Gen processors, as well as AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, making it suitable for the latest PC platforms. Additionally, buyers receive a bonus of a 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps plan upon purchase and registration of the crucial T705, enhancing the value for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. In the second spot, we have the WD-SN8100 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. The WD-SN8100 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD represents a significant leap forward in storage technology, designed to drastically enhance both gaming and content creation experiences. Built on the cutting-edge PCIe Gen 5 platform, this SSD delivers exceptional performance with blistering sequential read speeds of up to 14,900 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 14,000 megabytes per second. These speeds are complemented by a remarkable input-output operations per second count exceeding 2,300,000, ensuring swift responsiveness for even the most demanding applications. Powered by TLC 3D CBA NAND technology, the WD-SN8100 maintains a high standard of reliability and efficiency. Users benefit from over 100% improved power efficiency compared to previous PCIe Gen 4 drives, operating at an average power consumption of 7 watts or less. This balance of performance and energy efficiency makes it a versatile choice for extended gaming sessions or intensive creative workflows. The drive offers impressive endurance with up to 2,400 terabytes written (TBW), enabling it to withstand prolonged heavy usage without compromising durability. Available in capacities up to 4 terabytes, it provides ample space for storing large project files, expansive game libraries, and complex AI application datasets, catering to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether engaging in cutting-edge AI tasks, immersive gaming, or professional video editing, the WD-SN8100 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD delivers the speed, capacity, and endurance necessary to keep up with the most resource-intensive workloads. It positions itself as a formidable storage solution for users seeking the latest in PCIe Gen 5 technology to maximize productivity and entertainment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung 9100 Pro Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. The Samsung 9100 Pro Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD marks a significant leap forward in storage technology, delivering groundbreaking PCIe 5.0 performance designed to elevate every aspect of your digital experience. With sequential read speeds up to 14,800 megabits per second and write speeds reaching 13,400 megabits per second, this SSD operates at nearly double the speed of its predecessor, the 990 Pro. This incredible throughput enables users to handle massive files with ease, whether for gaming, video editing, or intensive content creation. Built to turbocharge productivity, the 9100 Pro offers remarkable random read and write speeds of up to 2200K and 2600K IOPS respectively. These capabilities translate into faster game loading times, fluid AI application performance, and smooth multitasking across demanding workflows. The drive's responsiveness ensures minimal lag and maximum efficiency, allowing creators and gamers alike to work and play without interruption. Power efficiency and thermal management have also been enhanced. A cutting-edge 5nm controller improves power efficiency by up to 49% compared to the 990 Pro, while advanced thermal controls maintain optimal operating temperatures, ensuring consistent, reliable performance even during heavy use. The Samsung 9100 Pro integrates seamlessly with Samsung's Magician software, which provides continuous firmware updates, drive health monitoring, and enhanced security features including encryption. This keeps the SSD performing at its best over time, maintaining reliability without any manual intervention. As a product from the world's leading flash memory brand since 2003, the Samsung 9100 Pro Gen 5 SSD combines in-house designed firmware, DRAM, and NAND components to guarantee superior quality and dependable performance, making it a top-tier solution for users demanding the very best in storage technology.